Oh.
Go on record, right?
Yeah. Ready? Okay. It's recording.
You should announce what I'm going to do.
Oh. Deja is going to be a stripper. No. She's going to... what do we... Oh, she's doing this upside down thingy. And then I'll do it after.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Set. Go.
Oh!
Did you hit your head?
No, I hit my hand.
Ready? Ready, go.
Wait, I have to get a good momentum.
My turn.
My knee kind of hurts. Okay, this is Anastasia Noel Malmish, and she's about to be doing the dangerous stunt called the pole thing. Upside down, I think. Not really.
You don't think so?
No.
I have to be upside down, don't I?
Yeah.
I was trying to get there.
I was as close as upside down as you will
What if I
ever
go
get.
like...
Or at least have your legs sticking straight out like gel.
Like gel?
Yeah.
Jello?
No, like gel. Like gel is holding you up. Yeah, like that, but so you have to hold it straight out. Oh, so close,
I know,
Disha.
it's so hard. Like for real.
Oh, I think Anastasia's giving up.
I can't.